Hi, welcome to Engineering and Project Management channel on YouTube. I'm Khan Imtiaz. Let's start today. I have to discuss about the sources of energy, um, whether it is from the fossils or from the renewable energy sources. The main energy source what we are using today is electricity. Without electricity it's difficult, and it's the backbone of the economy. We run our manufacturing factories and living our whole living is uh, based on the energy and the electrical sources. So this is the main topic today I have to discuss. um, First of all, uh, world top six energy producing countries are: the top one is the China, 137.828 BTU British thermal unit is the electricity or heat unit quadrillion. The second one is the United States. Third is Russia, Saudi Arabia, India, Canada. Canada is 21.55 British thermal unit. It's at number six. So these are the top six producing energy producing countries from fossil fuels and other renewable resources they are using. So here is how you can search these ranking from. You just simply go and Google it, or go search online. Or this is the website: http columns or /www.eia.gov. So here you can find more information about the ranking of energy resources. So energy produced from fossil fuels: coal, petroleum, gas, natural water, hydro, which we call hydro, like dams, natural waters and natural streams. Sun is, of course, is the big source of our universe. Air and wind slash wind, turbine and metallic or slash nuclear energy. So these are the seven type of energy resources. Here is the main thing which I want to discuss with you: dams. It is built on a natural water stream such as river, or on natural stream for the production of electricity. Water reservoir, the places where water is accumulated for the purpose of producing electricity. This is the top purpose. The second one is the irrigation, and the third one is the drinking water. For reservoir, and actually, when we built reservoir, then we convert it to the dams. We give rise to the water and built doors. So it's a kind of engineering technical thing. So dams, um, the dam is the ideal location for the dam, which what I think as engineer is, if there is a the for the reservoir, the two side or three side we have a hilly area, and there is no fault and fold in that area, and so it's ideal. That river or that stream is ideal, and on one or two side we built the engineering walls for the reservoir, for the storage of water, using mortar, bricks, rebar, concrete as engineering design. So I mean, if the two side we have hilly area, so there we can do little bit construction, and on the other side we can build a wall and then the foundation within the for the reservoir. So it's a kind of design, and then it's maybe 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer where we can storage the water, and then the different doors are built, mechanical doors. And in the next slide I will give you idea about here is. So from the reservoir, natural water such as river are accumulated water from the river and then give a high rise that gives fall type shape to the controlled flowing water, which then falls with certain velocity on turbine to run and produce electricity, which is then lead to storage collect called grid station, which is used for the storage of the electricity, and from there distribution of electricity is made. So it's called dams. So well, no expenses. Of course, there is the initial capital investment in the construction of the dams, but later on, it's only the water and the maintenance cost. So it's a pretty good source of energy, but it's not available everywhere. It's if you go to every country, there are some location which is possible where there is a river and streams and natural thing, but not everywhere it's available. So from reservoir and storage of water can also be used for the purpose of irrigation. Canals are built for the irrigation of the surrounding areas from the reservoir and the dams. And natural stream, these are the small natural stream in the hilly areas where you can build a small electricity dam. Coal is of course the major source still mostly used in around the world for the production of major, but it's not environment friendly. Petroleum and gas, this is also the electricity is produced from and the energy from this, but not friendly environment. So sun is of course, this is the big major source in our universe, but for this you need a large surface area. So still people and we are using locally, or the government, some governments are also using, but it still take time. So it's and the wind, this is the renewable energy. It's a pretty clean energy, but the location is also still visibility of location is required. Energy source from the metallic or nuclear energy, and well, it's this is the clean energy, but it's need a highly technical capabilities to build a plant for it. Highly technical capabilities and plants to build. So once that is built, and then the required energy you can produce from this. So it can minimize the shortage of energy, but it's difficult to, it's not easy, the installation of the plant and then the safety and everything. So it's kind of but it's a good source of energy. Still we are using traditional energy sources such as dams, coal, petroleum, natural streams, sun, air and wind. These are still the main sources of energy. So today I discuss about the energy resources and have give you an idea about the energy sources and which country is producing producing the big energy source countries. I also discuss with you. So let's go again, and so this is the first slide, this is the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh, eighth, 9. That's it. Thank you guys, and